If you're seeing a Krita script error, don't panic. In most cases, this happens because of an outdated third-party Python plugin, a corrupted configuration, or a system update that broke Krita's scripting environment. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it, how to remove a broken plugin manually if Krita won't even open, and one simple check that can stop scripting errors inside Krita's built-in tools. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing to try is disabling third-party plugins. This is the fastest fix when Krita crashes, freezes, or hangs on startup. Open Krita, then go to Settings, then Configure Krita, and then open the Python Plugin Manager. Here, you'll see a list of installed plugins. Look for anything that was added recently, or anything that seems suspicious, like AI extensions or experimental plugins. Uncheck the third-party plugins you want to disable, then restart Krita and see if the error is gone. If you're not sure which plugin is causing the problem, hover your mouse over any grayed out plugin in that menu. In many cases, Krita will show the exact code line or clue that points to the broken script. That can save you a lot of time because it tells you what needs to be fixed or removed. Now, if Krita will not open at all because of a script loop, you'll need to delete the broken plugin manually. First, close Krita completely so nothing is running in the background. Then open your file manager and go to the Krita Python plugin folder. On Windows, the path is usually C, Users, your username, App Data, Roaming, Krita, PyKrita. Inside that folder, look for the plugin name that matches the error log. Common examples might be AI Diffusion or Pigment.o. Once you find the broken plugin folder, delete it, then reopen Krita. This removes the damaged plugin from the startup process and often fixes the script error immediately. If the problem was caused by a bad extension, this step usually gets Krita working again. Next, if you're trying to run your own script inside Krita's built-in Python scripter, make sure an active document is open first. This is a very common mistake. Some scripts require a canvas or document to work with, and if no file is open, Krita may throw an immediate error. So before running the script, create a new document or open an existing image, then try again. That small step can make the difference between a script failing instantly and working exactly as expected. If you still run into errors after that, the issue may be tied to corrupted settings or a plugin that needs to be updated for your current version of Krita. In that case, try checking for updates to Krita itself and any third-party plugins you rely on. A system update can sometimes break compatibility, so reinstalling or updating the plugin may solve the problem. Also, if you've recently changed your setup, think about what was installed or updated right before the error started. That usually helps you find the cause faster. The best way to troubleshoot Krita script errors is to work from the most likely cause first. Disable plugins, remove the broken one if needed, and make sure your document is open before running scripts. That simple order will fix most issues without requiring a full reinstall. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.